Oh, yeah. These looks nice.
Beautiful. See, I tell you.
All right. How you going to pay for this today?
I'll have to make a phone call to my sugar daddy.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
Call him.
Thank you.
Yep, you got it.
Call George. He usually answers a little quicker than this. Hey, baby. You about ready to come pick me up and bring your checkbook? You what? You're not coming? Why? You're with somebody else? Well, that kind of sucks. Don't you think you should have let me know ahead of time? Well, you won't be able to do as good as me anyway, so good luck, ass.
Okay. So how you paying for your service today?
Well, I was hoping since, you've been doing my nails for 10 years now that you would let me wait until I get my check. Because now that I thought I had someone to pay for it, that you would just let me wait.
So you don't have any money on you right now? Anything?
No.
Like not even a credit card or anything?
I don't have those
I'm
things.
sorry about that. Yeah,
It sucks, and I apologize.
No, you're good. I understand. I mean, nobody wants to get break up in the middle. Yeah.
Dumped? Yeah, you're right.
You just come back, pay me, okay? But in the meantime, I need something in collateral. Like, give me your shoes or something.
You want my what?
Your shoes?
You're going to make me leave here barefooted? I'm old. I have medical problems. And you've known me for 10 years. I've been with you. This is how you're going to treat me?
I don't discriminate age, ma'am. So, but
you don't discriminate humanity?
Look, I do trust you. I know you will come back to pay for it.
I would.
I want you to find another sugar daddy. But in the meantime, I just need some collateral just to make sure you'll come back. Yeah.
Why, I hope these $2 shoes make you feel better that I'm walking out barefooted. It shouldn't make you feel good. I hope you leave here feeling like shit. I will, because now I lost a very good nail person.
Well, make sure you come back and pay me, and you can decide to pick another nail tech.
No, you just enjoy those shoes. I hope they look good on you.
Well, I don't really wear them. I just hold it for collateral. But
come
back and pay me, and I'm sorry about you being dumped in the middle of the service.
Like I said, I hope that collateral is worth my nails.
Well,
you'll never see me again.
Well, pay me. Well, hopefully you come back.
Oh, hell no.
Oh, my God. You're horrible.
I am not going to pay you. It's been a shitty day. I just got dumped. You've known me for 10 years. I mean, I've helped you through some really rough times.
So how's this my problem? I did a service.
You're right. It's not your problem. It's not your problem.
It's not.
Just how you treated me just then is now your problem.
You're the one who owe me money.
That's okay. You're right. I will die owing you money.
Oh my God.
But it's been nice knowing you.
Here, you can have one sandal back.
Oh no, no. You enjoy them. They might even look good on you.
Funny.
I'm sure there's times you like dressing up.
All right, well, you have a good day, okay, ma'am?
Yeah, I got more things to say to you, so I'll just keep on walking.
All right. Well, come back with your money, and I'll give you back your sandals.
Yeah.
Hi, how can I help you?
Yes, my grandmother was in here the other day. She's the one who got dumped by her sugar daddy.
Oh, yeah. How can I help you?
I just want to understand how someone allows a grandma to come out, walk to her car in this heat, barefooted. How could you take her shoes?
She didn't have any money to pay me, and she should have some kind of payment because I did the service and I had to get paid. And the shoe was just for collateral. Like, if you're here to pay for her service, I'm willing to take it and give it back her shoes.
No, I just want to understand how a person could see someone that was dumped by their sugar daddy and then just take something that's so, like, such a necessity. How do you take that? Like, she's on a fixed income. She's worked hard to get into this position, and then this happens, and then you take her shoes.
Well, it's just part of my way of taking collaterals until she pays me, but how she got dumped is not my problem. I mean, her and the sugar daddy, that's not my problem. That's your grandma's problem. So I don't know why you guys are here yelling at me for what.
You're just, the fact that you could do this to another person is just, it's just beyond me.
Well, your grandma has a problem because she's too old to be having a sugar daddy at her age.